Good morning, students. Happy to be with you through this class. I hope you are all fine. Today, I am going to teach you large numbers. In this video, you will be able to know Indian number system, international number system, and relationship between Indian and international number system. Students, we are learning numbers from first grade onwards. Numbers are used by everywhere, right? What are number? Number is a mathematical tool used for counting individual quantities. We can use numbers in our day to day life, especially in math, calculating our daily expenses, building constructions, weighing fruits and vegetables, collecting money, and so on. Numbers can be formed by using digits. These digits representing a number is called numerals. What are digits? Digits are the parts of a number. Here we are using 10 digits from 0 to 9. By using these 10 digits, we can form infinite number like single digit, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number and so on. So this number system is called decimal number system. This is the place value chart. According to its position, it is divided into periods, helps us to read and write large numbers. Now we are going to see Indian number system. It is divided into ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crore period. In ones period there are three places ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period there are two places thousand, 10,000. In lakh period there are two places lakh, 10 lakh. In crore period there are two places crore and 10 crore. So we can read the number from left to right always. In Hindu-Arabic number system, we can read the number like 34 crore 21 lakh 78,695. How do we read? 34 crore 21 lakh 78,695. Always we should read crore period first, afterwards lakh period, then thousand period, then ones period. So after ones period, before every two digit we can insert comma. So like that we can represent the number in Indian number system. This is the number name in Indian number system 34 crore 21 lakh 78,695. Now we are going to see international number system. It is divided into ones period, thousands period, millions period. There are three places in ones period, ones, tens, hundreds. There are three places in thousands period, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. There are three periods in millions period, million, 10 million, 100 million. So here also we can read the numbers from left to right. How do we read? 342,178,695. So after every three digit, before we can insert comma. This is the number name in Indian number in international number system. So how do we read? 342,178,695. Now let's see the relationship between Indian number system and international number system. See the chart, children. This is Indian number system. This is international number system. Here that ones periods are same in both Indian number system and international number system. How do we read? 695, right? Similarly, up to 10,000 everything is same in both Indian number system and international number system. But when we are writing lakh in Indian number system, we can write 100,000 in international number system. That means 1 lakh equal to 100,000. 1 million equal to 10 lakh. 10 million equal to 1 crore. Similarly, 100 million equal to 10 crore. Like that we can relate the numbers. From that, we can learn the smallest and greatest numbers in single digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, like that. Yes. So we can write the smallest and greatest number for very large digits. Students, I hope you can understand about the Indian number system, international number system, and the relationship between both number system. This is the practice time. Write the number names for the following numbers in both Indian and international number system. In the next class, we will see place value and face value. Thank you.